mahali ambapo inafaa kuwa.
Nayo timu ya taifa raga wachezaji ibuka Kenya Morans ilitoa ubingwa makala ya mwaka huu ya kombe la Zambezi Sevens iliyoandaliwa katika uwanja wa Harare nchini Zimbabwe. Morans ililaza Cheetahs kutoka Zimbabwe alama 14-0. Floyd Wabwire alifunga alama 10 kwenye mechi hiyo.
The Zambezi Challenge Trophy, and here come Kenya. Wonderful defense from Ryan Musuni and Trevor Gurwe. And it continues to go out. Kenya Morans, someone needs to straighten. It's the big boy, but it's the small boy from Zimbabwe, Carlos Matema, who puts in a good tackle. Numbers stacked to the left. Kenya Morans, here they come for the corner. And they're in. They score the try. The conditions, he managed to hang on to that one. And the show and go, he's still going. Another really good tackle from Ryan Musumi. Numbers out to the left. Trouble here for Vuyani Dromo. He can't stop him. They're in again. The Kenyan Morans make it back-to-back tries. And they've stretched it even further away.
Klabu ya polo ya Lagos ndio mabingwa